In the last week of 2024, I had this cold climate heat pump installed along with a new high efficiency gas furnace in my 1880s house in St. Paul, Minnesota. So it's running on stage one. I don't know, maybe it goes faster. It's a multi-speed, but it's very quiet out here. You can't really hear it. It's a fan. It's a fan. That's all. So you can see it's placed right next to the office here, which would be annoying if it were loud, but I'll show you. You just close the window. I can't hear anything at all. This is what the air handler and new furnace looks like. So this part up here is the air handler. That is where the heat and cold from the heat pump come in, and then it distributes through the ducts. There's a big blower down there, so I guess this is sort of the heat exchanger. And then the middle, this part here, is the new furnace, which is a Bryant as well. 96% efficient, so now we just have the PVC that go outside as opposed to it being tied to the chimney like it used to be, which is nice. The temperature at which your system will switch from the heat pump to your backup heater, in my case, natural gas furnace, is set through the thermostat. And this is the Honeywell Prestige thermostat that was installed with my heat pump a couple of days ago. I'm just trying to figure this out myself. There isn't a lot of information, but in order to get to that, you got to get the code, the installer code. And so you have to pull this off the wall and it'll just come off. And on the back of it is a code. You can see that 2439 right there is the code that you need. So I'm going to put this back on and it's going to have to reboot. So it's going to go through its reboot process before we can get to that menu. So I'm going to we'll come back in a second. You're going to go down to installer options. You're going to put in your password. Okay, then you're going to go down to edit, view and edit current setup. And you're going to go to heat, cool equipment settings. And the crossover point is heat control options. And now I don't have any idea what I'm doing because it doesn't say anything in the manual. I think you have to have an HVAC specialist to know this. But what I do know is when they set it at 30, that isn't really where it should be for my high efficiency heat pump. So I set the balance point down to 15, and we're going to just see how that does. That means that when it's 15 degrees or warmer outside, it should be using the heat pump. I think you also have to set this staging control. If I was reading the manual, and it does say something about that if it's set to 1 degree or comfort, it will always use the furnace to keep it within that. I move mine up to 2 degrees, and what it says is as long as it's making progress towards getting to the right temperature, then it's not going to bring in the gas furnace. So I'm going to just leave it at that for right now, and we'll see if I can get the heat pump to run most of the time.